Hello po Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 7th to August the 9th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung ating live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. No? Kung hinahanap niyo po yung X-Files, ito po yung segment natin dito sa ating channel, no? Kung all about exes, nilipat ko na po siya doon sa ating Facebook na para hindi po kayo dito para hindi po sila nag-aaway-away dito. Ayan. So let's start. Aquarius. Bakit parang medyo nasasanay tayo, no? Napaulit-ulit ang nangyayari sa atin. Nasasanay na tayo sa, kumbaga, namanhid na rin. Kung hindi nasasanay, namamanhid na rin tayo sa fluctuations ng energies ng nangyayari sa buhay natin. Fluctuations kasi minsan maayos ang takbo, minsan wala. No? Minsan missing in action si person. Minsan hinahanap natin ang mga, kung dati sunod tayo ng sunod, lagi tayong nagtatanong nasan na. Ngayon parang, wala na akong pakialam. So, kasi meron ditong, we're staying in a connection ha. Wala pa namang separations. Pero parang nandito yung paulit-ulit siyang nangyayari. Maybe this is intentionally done by the person, no? Parang paulit-ulit siyang ginagawa, paulit-ulit siyang nangyayari up until yung person, parang ikaw, no, sinabi na sa sarili natin, nakakasawa namang humabol ng humabol, nakakasawa din namang magtanong na magtanong. Ayoko na ring gawin yung mga bagay na feeling ko, no, nagkaroon din naman dito somewhat ng kumpiyansa na okay, is this really intentional na ginawa ni person para pakalmahin ka? Yun kasi ang nakikita natin no? Actually, that's my question. Ginawa ba ito ni person para sabihin, ipamukha sa'yo na wala kang dapat ipagalala, no? May plano nga ba? So, I am actually protecting you from kung meron man siyang intention, no? With the Moon card, the Ace of Wands, the Ace of Swords. Pakiramdam mo ba na parang nababaliwala itong mga efforts ng pag-aayos natin, no? Especially sa katawan, no? Bakit parang hindi na masyadong ginaganahan itong ating person, no? Minsan siguro, lalo na sa mga mag-asawa, hindi na ganun ka-active ang ating sex life. With the Moon card, you're actually question what changes. Probably na tinatanong mo rin ito sa sarili mo, ano nga bang mali sa akin ngayon? Kasi parang nami-miss ko, no? Itong mga intimate moments. You know, intimate moments just not about having sex, no? Probably yung pillow talk, no? Nag-uusap kami before going to bed, no? Or nag-uusap kami after, having sex, no? Ito yung parang deep conversations that's really being shared, no? By those couples, or, sabihin natin meron ng deep connection when it comes to the relationship with the Ace of Pentacles and a Knight of Swords. Para kasing ang bilis naman nagbago. Ang bilis nagbago nitong emotion, ang bilis nagbago, no? Parang tinaob. What I am feeling in here, siguro ito yung sabi mo, parang kahapon lang ang active 'no ng aming, relationship. Parang biglang nagkaroon ng parang biglang lumamig. There is a sudden change in the weather, there is a sudden change with your person's action, biglang tumahimik. Although sinasabi ko nga, wala naman ikaw nakikitang dapat kailangan ng separation. So kumbaga nakikita mo lang yung changes. You are inside the bubble no, ng inyong connection. You are just observing. Parang nakikita mo na meron ng mali or merong nag-iiba. No, with the Four of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Wands, are you thinking na baka pagod lang si person? I'm also seeing in here with the Seven of Pentacles, you're probably waiting, for your person also to initiate, this moves again, no, with the Nine of Wands and the Eight of Wands, kahit man lang sa conversations na lang, no. Siguro we are also making excuses, no, for the person na baka nga pagod, no, or baka madami siyang iniisip, baka stress lang din si person, the Tower, the Five of Pentacles, kesa naman kung stress nga siya, no, kesa naman halukayin ko, no, uriratin pa kung ano mga nangyayari sa kanya, baka ako mapagbunto na, sige. Kumbaga, as of the moment, you're becoming lenient with what is happening. Although, meron kang mga tanong, no, sa isip mo, hindi naman yun naaalis. So, you're just worrying why the relationship is, kumbaga sa momentum, nagdi-decrease, no? With the Ten of Cups and the King of Pentacles. If there is something here, I feel like your person is focusing on the abundance itself, no? Yung literal abundance, money, career. I think that there's a goal. I think that your person is really focusing on the goal. I'm not seeing any third party in here. Ten of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords. Babalik din naman. I think that this is just a pace wherein your person is, sabihin natin, na divert lang. No? Nothing to worry in the connection. Ito yung parang napaka-light ng reading dahil pwede kong sabihin na itong nangyayari sa ngayon is, sabihin natin, nandun siya sa either nakafocus sa bank account, no, gusto ng savings, at least doon siya nakafocus, hindi sa ibang tao, no. Tulad ng sinabi ko, babalik din ito kasi nakakapagod itong ginagawa niya, no. My 2 cents in here is to support the person, especially kapag alam naman natin talaga na ang focus niya is nasa trabaho, no? Wag na nating ligaligin, no? Bigyan natin ng sapat na time, na panahon. Babalik din itong nawawalang init, no? Yes, nakakamiss, pero this is a teamwork, no? Understanding is needed. Ibang usapan kapag third party, no? This time I feel like it's not a third party and it is really something productive, abundant. Will you help me? You are the light at the end of my tunnel. So I feel like sinasabi naman dito ni person, ginagawa ko naman to lahat para sa iyo, no? Or para sa atin. The will you help me? I feel like this is yours. Your feelings. Help me understand. So if you're looking for a sign, baka ito na yon. Ito yung fluctuations, ito yung reason why your person or why your connection is, sabihin natin, nandito sa yung fluctuating energy, no? Nandito siya sa medyo cold, no? Pero babalik naman sa pagka-warm. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces. I am seeing, hold up, tinitignan pa natin. So Pisces is very dominant. Sagittarius, Leo, paulit-ulit siya doon. Capricorn. So yeah, so this is your reading. Did I say Scorpio? Yeah, Cancer. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So Aquarius, kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa live session pero hindi nyo po naabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Pero kilala nyo yung sarili nyo, diba? Kung feeling nyo hindi talaga kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box, nandun po yung aking link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Sa pinakababa po, nandun po yung question form. Ibaba nyo pa, nandun po yung name, number, mode of payment, how much per question, no? Pakihanap na lang. No, I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so that's already a discounted price. If you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. Alright, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. So nasa description box din po yung mga fake accounts na pwede ninyong i-report. No, humingi po ako ng tulong. Report it, then screenshot, then send it to the designated email para po makapili tayo ng winner for a free reading. And when I said it's free, it's totally free of charge, no strings attached. No? Meron po tayong tinatawag na segment ditong X-Files. Nandun po siya sa Facebook, no, para hindi po nag-aaway-away dito. So the Facebook account is Babaylan TV. So updates about your exes, nandun po siya. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye!